How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? It's Connor from BMW Freeport. Today I'm going to be explaining the functionality of the 2024 BMW X5 steering wheel. If you're coming out of a previous generation X5, not much has changed, although there are a slight couple variations. So starting off with our right-hand side of the steering wheel right here. So we have our volume up and our volume down. We also have our back and forth for our radio stations. We can also now change the content displayed in the middle of the display by tapping the three lines here. So we can go ahead to our content. We can change it from miles per hour to our odometer and our trip computer, step-by-step turn direction and compass. We also have our map, our G-forces for our sports displays, as well as whatever media you may have selected. Now you could also change the layout. If you like a wider layout, you can go ahead and have that. If you like a more narrow, more spread out layout, you could also choose that as well. Everything is 100% customizable. The heads up display as well, you can go ahead and change this from your MPG computer to miles per hour to your navigation and compass as well. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise control. We have our mode button. If your car is equipped with the advanced cruise control, you'll be able to use that. Otherwise, standard cruise control and your cruise limiter. And you can go ahead and adjust that with the plus and the minus here, as well as resuming the cruise control and canceling the cruise control here with these two buttons. Moving on to the back of the steering wheel where we have our paddle shifters. This is great for highway driving, always a lot of fun. You have your paddle up and your paddle down to shift back and forth through gears. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing BMW Freeport. Any questions you have regarding your steering wheel on your new BMW, please comment down below.